start by adding 1 stick of margarine and half cup of coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil at home, you can put 2 sticks of margarine or even butter. I have tried with many kinds with all of them, so everything worked. So coconut oil, margarine, and sugar go into the mixer. And now we'll add our eggs to the butter and sugar. And start mixing. Next goes in vanilla. Any kind of vanilla will be good, liquid or vanilla sugar or vanilla imitation, and then we'll mix it again. Here I have whole wheat flour. Then I will add some cocoa powder. If you don't have a whole wheat flour, you can use all-purpose flour. That will be fine. And then we'll put the baking powder and the baking soda. So now the dry ingredients will go into the wet ingredients. And we'll mix it up together. Here I have my oats with some chocolate chips, and I'll add it to the mixture. So it's time to shape our cookies. Muharram, you already started?
Yeah.
What shape are you making?
Star.
Star and a heart?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. I preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and then when they are ready, they will go to the oven. Oh, I like that star.
Is that pretty good?
Yeah, good job. So, Abu, are you gonna show how to shape the cookie?
Yeah. So
okay. I think it's a little big, right?
Is it good?
Yeah.
So you take some dough about like this, and then you roll it up. You flatten it. I think I need to roll it up. You flatten it, but don't flatten it too much or else it'll burn.
Okay.
Put it on a tray. Okay.
Okay, now you're gonna show us how to do it, Muharram?
Yeah.
Okay.
So first you roll it up. And then flatten it up. Only 2 steps. Only 2 steps if you're gonna make a circle.
Nice. And a lot of mess too.
we made them shape. Now we're gonna wash our hands and then put it in the oven.
We'll put them into the oven and wait for how many minutes?
30?
No, 10, 15 minutes.
Oh,
yeah.
That's how quick it bakes?
They bake really quickly.
I didn't know.
Yeah.
Be very careful. Danger, hot. Be careful.
It's hot.
Exactly.
Okay, it's ready, guys.
Yay!
Ready. Okay, Muharram, go ahead. You can have.
No, peanut butter.
You want to have some peanut butter on top?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Heart. Once the cookies are cold, you can store them in a container in a room temperature. They don't have to go into the refrigerator, and they can last up to 1 week. Mine don't last that long. My kids love them. Yes, we eat them up. No, we share most of the time. So yeah, just cover and then enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos.
And subscribe to Immigrant Bazaar.